Hello, doctor.
Hi.
Is plastic surgery only for celebrities? Can a normal person do it too?
Of course, plastic surgery is for everybody, and it is not only about the beauty, it is also for different reasons and more so ever to increase the self-confidence of a person. Now, a media person, an actor or somebody does plastic surgery or plastic procedures more often because they have the reason to keep up with their look always perfectly. A normal person undergoes plastic surgery. You will be surprised in India how many normal people undergo plastic surgery. It is not talked about so much because there is so much of judgment related to this. Let me tell you, beauty is not a judgment, it is a self-choice. A normal person undergoes plastic surgery for so many reasons. Like a man can undergo a hair transplant to improve his looks when he is undergoing baldness. Man can also have man boobs, that is the gynecomastia, where there is a lot of embarrassment and shame associated, where they cannot even be very confident with their peers and go for swimming or go bare-chested in a temple because they have breasts which look like females. So that also can be corrected by plastic surgery. A female who has very small breasts or a very huge breast, when there is a small breast, she is often called as flat. The dresses don't fit better and there is so much of mental agony related to that. That can be corrected by breast implants, by plastic surgery. On the other side, if a woman have very huge breast which is very painful and hanging, and they have a problem with their posture, neck pain, back pain issues, and they have to always wear loose clothes, and in public places they have to be careful about everybody looking at their breast only. Breast reduction is a plastic surgery done for those reasons. A mother who has already undergone pregnancy, but even after 5 years of pregnancy, she often still looks pregnant. Why? Because the tummy bulge wouldn't go inside. Is it wrong for her to think of getting it improved? No, it's not wrong. That is treated by mommy makeover. That is plastic surgery. A small kid born with a cleft lip where the lip is split in between. Now there, plastic surgery is done to improve the form and function. So see, these are the reasons, most common reasons for what plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery is done. Will you say that this is unnecessary? No. A media person undergoing cosmetic surgery to define their looks unnecessary? Absolutely not. So cosmetic surgery is a choice. It can be also a necessity. Most importantly, if a person does for themselves and not under any pressure, they should have a realistic expectations and they should know what they are undergoing. We help them in making their choice, obviously, but then having a realistic expectation, getting a cosmetic surgery done for various purposes is not a problem, and it is every person's right to take it, whether a media person or a commoner.